everybody's got to have a miter saw, right?
Right.
And this is a nice one. So
Yeah.
tell us a little about this one.
Yeah, this is our new LS1019L. It's our 10-inch dual bevel miter saw.
Okay.
The biggest thing, the reason why we introduced this, it's a lot different than our old models. And what we heard and what we saw is the footprint in shops and out on job sites are becoming smaller and smaller. And so space is so key.
Right.
And these take up a lot of space. So with this particular saw, we went away from the dual rail system from our old saws, and we stacked the rails and beefed them up as well. So it's a very smooth, high accurate saw.
Right.
But what's nice is you can butt this up against a wall, but you have your full 12 inch of cross cutting.
Right.
So we didn't take away anything from that.
Okay.
Also, we put the bevel adjustment. So this is a dual bevel miter saw at the front of the saw instead of reaching around the back.
Right.
Time is money, and being able to have it right here by the user's hands, we were told it's very, very beneficial. So very easy to unlock that, and then you can bevel that this direction, and also you can bevel it the other direction as well, just by pushing this button right there to go the other direction.
Sure.
And then you just couple twists and it's locked back in there.
All right. Go ahead.
We left the laser standard on there. We find some guys like to use the laser, some guys don't like to use the laser, so it's a very easy on-off button for that. We left our clear guard on here.
Right.
What's really nice about that, especially for the guys that like to watch their blade when they're cutting,
right,
is as you go down, you can see in front of here, there's gaps in front, cut out of the blade. So you're keeping safe and the blade completely down.
Right.
But you can actually watch that blade as you go down to hit your material.
Very nice. Well, you know, you improve the products constantly, and this is an improvement over the traditional miter saw.
Most definitely. Direct drive motor, so there's no belts to wear out.
Right.
Soft start, so it's very smooth. Also, I will say another big thing is the workstation here, all aluminum, a lot wider than other saws out there, or even ones that we had in the past. Taller fences in the back here,
right.
So 4 inches in height. Also for your guys that are cutting a lot of base, extra tall base and extra tall crown, we're seeing that more popular in the industry. So this will cut 5 1/4 and the vertical position, and 6 5/8 of crown molding in the nested position, which is the tallest in this class of miter saws right here.
Yeah, well, that's a handy feature right there.
Yeah.
Because, I mean, that's a great place to use a miter saw, right? When you've got to put up molding or whatever.
Correct.
So, great.
And then in the miter, it goes 60 degrees in both directions. So from 0 to 60 to the left, 0 to 60 to the right. It's got all its positive stops like your traditional saw out there.
Right.
You can override those stops, you know, but it will stop in the 22.5, 15 degrees, so on and so forth.
Okay.
If you want to override those, very easy. You just push that down, and now you can put it wherever you want to put it, and then lock it in to that degree.
Well, look, we've shown you some really great tools today from Makita, and I'll tell you that we have both corded and cordless versions of all of them. So no matter what you're looking for, you're going to find it at toolbarn.com. Check it out.